Everybody, today I am going to show you how to remove password protection from Microsoft Word document. Just try to open the file, then here the password appears. Then type the correct password, click OK on, then again go to file, then click on Save As. Save As dialog box appears. Just near the Save button you have seen Tools button. Click on this and go to General Options. Click here, then the General Option dialog box appears. Here in the password to open, just remove the password, and if there was password to modify, then also remove that. Then just click OK, then click on the Save button, and now close the document. The Word file. Here the no password will be required to open the file again. Now click to open, and no password is needed. Thank you for watching.